Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to delete starred emails on the Gmail app. If your inbox is full of old starred messages and you're ready to clean things up, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to find and delete those emails all in just a few taps. Let's get started. First, open the Gmail app on your phone. Make sure you're signed into the account where the starred emails are stored. Once you're inside the app, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon. Go ahead and tap on that. From the list that appears, scroll a bit until you see the option labeled Starred. Tap on it, and this will take you to a special folder showing all the emails you've marked with a star. These are usually your important or favorite messages, but sometimes they just start to pile up. Now, scroll through and find the email you want to delete. Once you've found it, press and hold it for a moment. This long press action will select the email and reveal some icons at the top of your screen. Among those icons, you'll see a small trash bin symbol. Go ahead and tap on that icon. The selected email will now move to the trash, effectively removing it from your starred section. If you need to delete multiple starred emails at once, you can simply long press one and then tap any others you want to include before hitting the trash icon. This method makes it quick and easy to tidy up your inbox in batches. And that's all there is to it. With just a few taps, you can clear out your starred emails and keep your Gmail organized. Thanks for watching.